Our first question is, which age group is the case study mentioned in above passage relevant? A. Pre-primary, B. Primary, C. Adolescent, 4. All of the above. Question number 2. Which of the following statement is not true? In majority of countries, skill development programs aimed at the girl population. Option B. UNICEF is supporting teachers development program along with primary school children in Egypt. Option C. In Burundi and Egypt, the issue of early marriage was addressed. Option D. More than half population of girls were reached in Bangladesh. More than half population of girls were reached in Bangladesh. Question number 3. On the basis of the information given in the image, state the outcome which can be considered the best. Option A. Outcome 1. Option B. Outcome 2. Option C. Outcome 3. Option D. Outcome 4. Next question. The statement outcome of impact is the most on the development of economy. This is a statement. And the question is, this statement is option A, completely true. Option B, partially true. Option C, false. Option D, none of above. आगे next question number 5. In which two countries the percentage of girls is 50%? Is 50%. Option A, Bangladesh and Burundi. Option B, Egypt and Bangladesh. Option C, Burundi and Egypt. Option D, Bangladesh and Egypt. आगे question number 6. The initiative Girls for Girls and teacher training were specific for which two countries? For which two countries? Two countries. A, Egypt and Bangladesh. B, Egypt and Burundi. C, Egypt and Nigeria. D. Nigeria and Bangladesh. Nigeria and Bangladesh. आगे question number 7. The case studies establish the fact that skill development programs are option A highly successful, option B fairly successful, option C not successful, option D partially successful. Next question number 7. 8, sorry. The case study of Bangladesh proves that option A skill-based training has not raised the economic standard of girls. The economic standard of girls. Option B. Employed girls get married early. Option C. Financial security is the best way to check early marriage. Next question number 9. Adolescent means A. 6 to 10 years, B. 2 to 5 years, C. 9 to 11 years, D. 13 to 19 years. आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Opposite of assess is option A invade, option B infiltrate, option C exit. आगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Mediate means option A conflict, option B negotiate, option C management. Now read the paragraph and find the answers to these given questions.